In this video, you'll find out about some stunning black vines and trailing plants that you can grow indoors. These plants will infuse a dose of mystique sophistication into your space. The Black Jewel Orchid is not your typical orchid. Its deep green, almost black leaves are lusciously thick and feature a striking pinstripe of yellow veins which really stand out against its dark background. With heart-shaped dark green leaves that look almost black, Black Pothos is a sleek and sophisticated choice for indoor gardeners. It's excellent for hanging baskets that would create a striking contrast against light-colored walls. The black goldfish plant has unique black-tipped orange flowers and dark green foliage, perfect for adding a pop of color and a bit of character to any indoor space. This conversation starter does best in bright indirect light and enjoys high humidity, which makes it a lively addition to any well-lit bathroom or kitchen. With its deep purple leaves, the Purple Wandering Jew adds royalty to your indoor space. It's easy to care for and is perfect for creating an indoor focal point. Fast-growing and forgiving, it is a great choice for novice gardeners or those with a busy lifestyle. The Philodendron Black Cardinal has rich burgundy leaves that bring warmth to any room. It is a standout specimen that can bring a cozy yet bold aesthetic to any room. The black lipstick plant with its cascading tendrils and dark glossy leaves that inclines to a nearing black color under certain light conditions is truly a spectacle in hanging baskets. It gets its name from the striking red flowers that emerge, resembling tubes of lipstick. The purple heart plant has deep purple and green foliage of cascading vines. It grows vigorously and works well in hanging baskets or as a trailing vine over shelves, where its richly colored leaves can drape dramatically. Hope you found these ideas inspiring and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant-related content. Until next time, happy planting!